Cabela. What? What are you doing? You better get off. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You be careful. You want to jump, don't you? It's a far jump. It's a far jump. You know how to get down. Go take the stairs. Go take the stairs, baby. Oh, Bella. You're being naughty.
Oh my God.
Yeah, be careful. Don't make any loud noises.
What are you doing? Can I get her off?
No, she can do it.
That's naughty.
I know.
You're just letting her do that?
Yeah,
It's not okay.
she's fine.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. She'll learn.
No.
Is there a bug up there or something?
No, that was my hand. Come here, baby.
Put her down. Kenzie,
She
put her.
just fell.
If she falls, she falls. She'll land on her feet.
No, she won't. She'll land on the cement.
How about you not lean on the railing and back up a little bit? Bella Bear, you being naughty? When you're big, you can jump. She'll jump when she's big. Oh, Bella. Cabela. That doesn't look like fun. Bella Bear, hi. What do you think? It's a far jump.